Hey everybody, it's Chris Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about going down the estate planning rabbit hole. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have any questions related to what we're going to talk about today, or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can go to estatemeeting.com. Okay. The estate planning rabbit hole. It's a place I went down a couple times today on accident, and it's really easy to get there if you're not careful. And what I mean by the estate planning rabbit hole is when you start thinking about how you want your assets to be taken care of or distributed when you're gone, and you start to think about all of the different potential hypotheticals that are out there. All right. This can get you into big trouble. It can prevent you from actually doing anything. It can prevent you from getting things done. It can prevent you from actually creating an estate plan. So I want to talk to you about it so you can be aware of it, have some self-awareness and fight this this mental push to go down these rabbit holes. The first type of rabbit hole that I went down today with a client and had to sort of pull both of us out of it was what if the person that I'm naming does X or goes crazy or does all of these things that you don't expect them to do in reality, that you would really probably never expect them to do if you were alive. But once you're gone and they're in charge of your assets, then all these different things come into play. I'll give you a perfect example. We're talking about who to name as like the personal representative of an estate executor, for example. And there's the clause in most of the wills that I create that says, if an heir is underage, or if they are incapacitated, or if they are under the influence of drugs, then the personal representative has the discretion to sort of modify the distribution of these assets so that they're actually put to good use and used for good. And then the question becomes, well, what if the personal representative is getting a share, and then they want to hold back the other person's share, and they want to do this, they want to do that, and here we are. We've gone down the rabbit hole. We've arrived. Okay, and what I said to sort of pull things back is, look, the person that you're naming to be in these positions, typically you know them, you've had a relationship with them for a long time, you trust them. The people that they are today are good people. The people that they are tomorrow, likely to be good people as well. All right. The other kind of rabbit hole can happen when it comes to relationships and things like that in particular. Thinking about what kids might do if they get married, if they don't get married, if they have kids, if they don't have kids, and then trying to account for all of these different scenarios to make sure that the money doesn't fall into the wrong hands. The idea is a good one, but the execution, if you go too far down, too many steps down, can become impossible, and it can become really complicated, and it can become so complicated that you don't actually get anything done. My advice in all of these circumstances is to make the best choices that you can right now. Do the best that you can right now. Decide things based on who people are right now. If they change in the future, if they show you different colors, right? If they show you different attitudes, if they start to do irresponsible things, then you can update your plan to reflect that. But until that time comes, expect the best out of everyone. Okay, protect for the worst, which we can do, but expect the best. All right, that's it. As always, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. And if you have any questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate, and you want to talk with us over the phone for free, you can go to estatemeeting.com. All right, that's it for today. I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning. We do probate. We do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you again soon.